No, you're not.
Come here. Come here.
No.
Yo, he caught it. He caught it.
Hey, Sophie and Nicole, let's do a handshake. Right in front of Miss Phil.
Oh.
Come on.
I don't like
Come
that
on.
one.
She's gonna think it's really funny.
No.
Put your mellow down.
All right. Guys, I'm uncomfortable.
All right. 3, 2, 1. Ready?
Sophie, lock in.
Sophie. Ready? 3, 2, 1.
All right.
Am I blinking?
No, it's a solid red light.
He turned
Oh wait,
me
no,
on.
it is blinking.
Oh, it is?
There's still the little plastic pieces on it. It's gonna look bad.
Is it
It has the packaging on it. Let me look at it.
on the back of it?
No,
Yeah.
On the camera, it has.
You can't see it.
No, it's fine.
Hey, can you go forward?
I don't think we should take the film off. It's Perry's.
Oh, okay.
Hey, can you go forward?
I don't think Perry's gonna want it off. Hey guys, say it to the camera.
Hello. She just explained to me what a gooner was.
All right, let's do my handshake for the camera. All right, ready guys? 1, 2, 3.
Okay.
We had to. It's our handshake.
Just do that on First full run of debut. Woo! Yeah. And visual silence. Here we go.
Oh, sorry.
How do I turn this thing off?